No, 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 no. Hi, friends. Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode of TikTok Made Me Do It, I'm going to be trying out something I saw on TikTok. So this lady used toothpaste to clean her underarm. So this is how my underarm is looking right now. Okay. So, it worked for her, but it didn't look like it really worked. That's why I want to try it out. And the comment section was like, "Oh girl, please, oh girl, please. You know, we can all see this. We can all see." So I'm like, okay, let me try it out. I'm about to go shower, so I decided to try it out. You're going to need a toothpaste and a brush. One thing about toothpaste is that toothpaste tend to work if you want to brighten your lips. I know that one for a fact. For you to brighten your lip, you have to put it and then scrub it with a brush. You have to scrub it very well. And after like 5 minutes, you wash it off. One thing about that is, yes, it does tend to make your lip bright. You know, toothpaste contains bleaching agent, so it does tend to make your lip really bright, but it tends to dry out your lip. So after doing that, you have to moisturize your lip really well. You will notice that throughout the day your lip is going to be very dry. You're going to be licking your lip just to put hydration in it. So I've never tried it for my underarms, so today we are going to do it. Okay, let me sit well. Okay, so here's my toothpaste, and she actually used Colgate. Yeah, this is almost like Colgate. It's a very nice toothpaste. So this is my underarm. This is how it looks like, and let's go. So I'm going to be scrubbing this. Like the mint in this thing is too much. So I'm just going to be doing it in a circular motion. Oh, I think we should add some more, don't you think so? Here we're adding some more. So I'm doing it in only one underarm because one, my skin is very sensitive, and two, when you're doing this, you can wear a dress you don't mind to get bleached, because toothpaste can actually bleach your dress, so you have to be careful. This is my house dress, so I really don't mind if it's, you know, it has a little bit of bleach on it. So yeah, I'm tired. We're gonna leave this. Okay, I thought there was a dirt in it. We're going to leave this for 5 minutes or basically 3 minutes, and I'm going to clean it and come show you guys. So now I'm back again. So now I'm going to use this. I have water here. So, oof, really don't pour. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this. I'm coming. Guys, look at this. Let me clean it some more. Okay. You know what's playing in my head? Aaron, it's Mufasa. So we're gonna clean this. Yo, guys. Let me put a before picture. I did my armpit like this is the after. I'm gonna put the before picture. So you guys be the judge. Like, see my other. I definitely think I'm going to be trying it on this arm as well. To me, yes, there's a huge difference, but what do you guys think? Do you think there's a huge difference? Do you think it worked? Let me know in the comments section. Will you be trying this out? Let me know something else you would want me to try. Yes. So let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'm bringing you guys more skincare content. This is a segment called TikTok made me do it, but we're going to continue with our skincare products, videos, and all of that. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.